Yeah, and just finishing off that thought. So, again, pick one of the categories here based on the first 16 pages. Make sure that you provide some citational evidence. You're going to use VoiceThread to post your audio sample, okay? And I amended things up here. The audio sample, when you do an audio sample or video sample, it should be around 60 seconds, 90 seconds at the most, okay? So make sure that you are very minimalistic, okay? That you're concise and to the point. It's usually good to script out your ideas a little bit so that you don't run overboard, or you can just record yourself again and again until you hit that sort of 90-second limit. What I would recommend is you just say 90 seconds, that's it. Whatever I say there works, and you go from there. Okay. So also with the voice thread, and when I get to, I'll point to someone I get there. You should always give a title and a description of your voice thread so people can identify it. Look at what your voice thread is before they have to listen to it, so they can make a good choice. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at Zarathustra here. Okay. So I'm looking at the first page here. What I'm going to do is just go over the text apparatus, show you what the text looks like, things you can use in the text, and I'll make a few brief comments about Nietzsche and his philosophy as I go through the text here. But the deeper reading, or the more close readings, I will, and more sort of deeper thoughts on his philosophy, I will give in further podcasts down the line, probably posted on Monday. So here we have it. Thus Spoke Zarathustra, a book for all and none. So thus spoke Zarathustra, right? So that gives you this sort of epic or mock epic sense, right? Thus spoke, right? Sounds biblical, right? Or it sounds something from an epic poetic thing. And that's definitely what he's going for. A book for all and a book for none is a paradox. How can you have a book for all and a book for none? And so this is pointing to Nietzsche's paradoxical philosophical movements, right? So he's the great critic of Western civilization and philosophy, um, the great critic of modernity, of modern life, the modern life that we have from Western civilization. And so this is the book where he tries to put it all together, not in a philosophical treatise, but more in a type of literary form or in this epic form.